Hello everyone, today I'll be introduced to you the PGM output. In the PGM channel, it has some icon on it. Click the gear icon to do the setting. Inside here, it has multi-view. You can select the template you want and select the channel into here or remove the channel. Click the default icon and you will select the channel itself. To enable multi-view, click on this icon. As you can see, this is what we set just now. To exit, right click and select exit. Beside multi-view, it has graphic output with only one channel. Select the channel you want and click on this icon. Same as just now, right click and select exit. Then it has sounds output, telling output, and also NDI output. You can click this icon to display the audio in the PGM channel. That's it. Thanks for watching and hope you guys enjoyed the video.